on a year solar equino. 66 million Ghana city mobilization.
And India for the
$30
million.
On the only as well.
No, but how is it possible, say, Yambo, and a breach of agreement be by an our contract because Mentias say, Ube Juma, Yamo mobilization 30 million. Ejuma no nye 1% crowd is our normal. We may also have to find time now the free other side because the Agbodia Canadian in the adwene but say John or my sometimes these days I'm not quick to applaud Omo until say who say Adiana Omo no more deliver because you won't be that the former road minister Mamuakwata ye no koran sa ni butimi fuma ni kai ye terminate contract say ni say ubekona aban no mom e na on fulfill ne part of the contract ye okrom amanfo ye adwuma mo mu release certificate na ye ntwi aka de bia me ka say John minji ndi say benya aban a watam ska de ama contractor say wonye adwuma na contractor na free site na aban no nso eto say timemfo mo nachi entimi anytime a demonstration cost road ni eyi no me ko wa me catch from say fine e was say aban na was say ube plead to aban but find out from contractor mentina say enka say no contractor na free site for you know yentwi aneka ono nso akwaje lo enne metisa wo kan na ye me de edru local contractors ebi o aye mo musika na esi wa akoye ne raise certificate o de ba na etwa nipa no be ya raise certificate ye ntwa ka na ade na drag ye kan obi na ya mo ye short work but foreign ones no ye di kan ma nipa no mobilization o ye no raise certificate na etwa na hu say uma duration construction is such that say o di 6 months ye na etrako 8 months 10 months 12 months cost na wudi kan budget na wudi kan ye se obeye na ekosoro enti ekosoro no nanka wan sika no onfanka enti eno na wan hwe ya na amomo ye substandard work because e was no nso pese o cut down cost na se e was say beauty me no or mix this volume na waye ne kitu bi na ye de bibia frama ade no aye
but they are not contractors nso me problem and open na me can say abando ka timamufo e kan wo say abande me ka enso aban no ase me ba santima ntemu mampani so wo ba
na waso no ma
wakofa mfidi a ye hu bi da na o de abegu kwan no so eno ya na ye de
eno baby a promenso sa de no ma ya me
sabando kasa de wo kasa abando ka wa raise certificate aban ntua ya aban ba no timamufo no manfo na nkasa ne aban no emfesi
true
na ye say 2 days what is aba bon says waba wogu kwan no so wo de wo kọ wo ba enti ho no why pa na wo deceive you at this point
dem me no we adwene say BC wo apre that time the former president Nanado Eba onu kra oba machines as John obehu wo kwan no so niem hye no o say na machines bebrebe ye onu anim say omo di contractor ne ka omo ntwa no ena onu anim say adwuma no contractor no a relax kakra na okodru a say John machines e wo so no me kai say ye koye eyi anwan kwanta de say John machines say John na esi kwan no so no gidi ye say Jesse so 1 month anka
kampo 2 months ke wie
anka wie sa no lenso ende ko hwe project no
enti dia na ehwehwe ni mu aya na
president ba ya o free wa 2 days 3 days say see awu 1 machine kura wo so aye edwuma
enti ya na no hwehwe ni mu ana ade
enti ona
so leave it for the and contractor no wo de wa kan che say sika abando ka nti aban ne ba no yiwani na ye ni aban face aban be ba ne yegyinam demonstration yegyinam Ebeka bibi akyere no. Ba ye ka bia ye prepare say ba demonstration. Ye be ho 2 days 3 days what say mampani be ba no. Gidi anadwo nyina abeduro no mo ye adwuma. Mampe me see Chrome
24 hours.
That time offense so it was 2015. No, 2016 elections. Ya wo why mo say me say mampani John Dramani Mahama. Ba offense. That time offense kwan. Isi contractor ya na jo wo horo kwan no gidi. Hey! Oh yeah, juma na jo. Ada ya
man. So 1 week na ebe wi.
I'm say na eno sa no na ayede. Hwehwe ni mu sa no efre. It means that yes, they all can no but contractors ni bi ho a. Omo nim say ye wo sa adwen say obi aban betimi ade ne ka 120. Aban ama ni sika kra na no wayi nani. And governors agboja can say contractors bi ya mo adwuma no mu nwie no. No wasa akwaje foforo. Nti obeye ha 1%. No afa mfidie no kwa ha 1%. No afa kwa ha 1%. Nti so hu say mampani say bia mampani ko bia ba sentimental no o project wa ha o ya. Na ko fa mfidie na gu bia western region no. No wasa se nyina ba be gu ha. Telling aban say o ye adwuma. Sa contractors no. Ube kom ni aman mobilization.
Nti enso ye monitoring team no mo ye de.
That's the point.
Because untimi kan trem say contractor free site for 3 months, 4 months to 6 months. Ya mano mobilization say you expect say maybe within the next 6 months we'll do this phase. Now say John, we free site on the 3rd month, 4th, 5th, 6th. Now work on the 6th na fe na onso no ukoye complain no atre press.
Okay.
Eno na ma ebi mu nso ani say politicians no omu camera then na kasa na doso because your monitoring team I was say from time to time the old man no sika wodi kan the man mobilization no unim baby e was odru ansa no wa raise certificate asa abeje timelines bibia eda ho yenim say bibi timi sima timelines no ebroso ebi mu nso timi ye wie before
oh yeah
planned time na ye de mo no schedule no enti adenti na say yenso ye relax ya maybe 1 year time 6 months afen na yenso ye ko na ye ko ye complain
adwuma no kra na contractor is so ye na say 4-5 years contract you
and yenim contractor bia so capacity
waje 66 million Ghana cedis as
and this 4 years ni na ye den ye no because 66 4 years ago is 5 years and ne oba says that time na say maybe otimi wie a kilometer or 2
20% kronwe
and ne anhwe a wontimi mfa nye 200 meters problem no enti yanso na o say ma ye monitoring na ye makasa no bafom we should see more action than because John enti am say me sasem we ya the former na make no former road minister ye ko baby mo no nso mo be ko baby wo hwe kwan no say o we self standard now why expressing dissatisfaction anger no why nanso say John obekọ na ewo ho emaye ba say contractor kra de wuye road bia na usika bi ho a aban no som say road in lifespan ye 5 years na enu ye na porto obi na ese baby a so obe ye de san hihye ni na ba what are we seeing say John yetimi ekwan 6 months maximum na sha see etutu afene we say san ko mobilize this kebi either urban roads feeder roads no wa san betalitali enti kasa no adonso o system ni ye de pese hu action na nka baby a okọ and fine wa ko hu na nka e de say John me na nka de pese me hu ni say minister na be ka say okay contractor we man mobilization 66 wanye yetimi akọrichi bi esika say a de man new contractor na ni de hu say me hu result bi but the same person na ukona ube kasa ni de but the here any action send the bear because say John they be ameka say road a kilometer of road unska ye dey ya enye small investment.
Na
just a kilometer.
The ono is on na nkrakwan sa contractor na de na no mampani call ya say June sa contractor na nanka was we 2024 and went me anwi and
2026
and they call 2025 went me anwi and na no mampani of anko nsawom kwan no say contractor no man is a Mary Puma was do you know I kakra but is it June also we
87.9 Kumasi
June also we Yamani Sika also we June the rehearsal be June and pa so that is it and the all can I agree with you that we should be seeing action
and say Yamani Sika there we have to be following up
but you see some of these things also should let contractors understand say adwuma no ye the man na say ya the amount no the ye na hwie and na mo so amoma contract no nipa no yeso wo ye bi asama ni bi aka ono nkwa na contractor na and I see because e bia ye nipa no relationship binti no ye mfama no because e bia ono de bia party sem na adenti no ye de kakra wonka nti ye mfama sa nipa na because e come obi dia obegu aba na ni mase ye mfama asomasi no onye na ba sa ono de ye betima control no. That shouldn't be the case.
So John say okay try me say contractor ba ko ama no contract be 3 projects. Oya ha kakra. Enti woman first one now woman second one.
Yes.
Unso no ukohwe hu bebi a wodru. Se wo fi o si we release scam no na unim say o say wodru abai this stage a. Unso ukohwe hu say ejuma na o se onye no waye duro ansa na wa ma no foforo ukoye no onru on ukoye a onru on a o se ma no foforo no. Why do you still come out to complain say contractor na beje be 3 contract nso onye ba kokra nwie and unso e wodwuma say wo yes monitoring no
exactly
to ensure say ampa say we release this scam na e wo say we yes monitoring no to ensure say nipa no waye de o say oye but wo ba unso we ba be kan release this scam na wo be fa etira ko busa contractor no
o factory na contract ye gina wani mu kan so ko factory o kan ye no contractor no engineers ni gina ho man ntimi anka se yenye sika eno na ya me problem no just say ayi kwan opoma kwan contractor oso no free so a opoma be kasa wo mfi ohun say road minister be kruma pebo say anadwona is contractor number set Evans Nkum good morning
Sir John
na what to say
koda nyom no o si Yesu adi nkunim over all Satan powers